Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have the last part of this series of my opening from my Crafty advent calendar that I did a swap with through the Embellishment Swaps Facebook group. So I'm going to show you guys what I got in this swap. I did two of them, so I got two back. This is from one person, those little boxes, and this other one is from another person. But however, I am still waiting on days 16 through 21 from one of the people, Sharon, but I have everything else that I have from the other person, which is Kim. So today is the 21st. I'm going to open up 19, 20, 21. We're a little delayed only because I was trying to wait for the other ones to come in from Sharon so I could film my video, but at this point, like, I can't keep waiting anymore. Like, I need to film these videos, I need to get them edited and done, and it was just like stressing me out, just like waiting and not being able to like open these goodies. So I am just going to open up the ones that I do have from Kim. If the other ones happen to arrive during the series, I will open them. If they don't, then that will just be it. Then I'll open what I do have. So that way I could just, finish the video and, get it edited and everything for you guys so that it's posted. But here we go. Let's open up day 19 from Kim. So she sent in all her goodies in like these little boxes. So here is day 19. I love this paper. I might have to reuse this for some things. Oh, I see like some ribbon or trim or something. Oh, they're rosettes. Oh my goodness, how cute are these? How do you even make like rosettes like this? That's super fun, so pretty. Oh my goodness. Wow, she's on a whole other level. Oh, she used a button in the middle. Like, that is so cute, guys. I need to ask her like how she made this because this is adorable. I love it. Thank you, Kim. Wow, you're so talented. I love these so much. Moving along to day 20th from Kim. I'm going to try to do that guessing thing where I guess what it is. So I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to try to figure this out. So my eyes are closed right now. And hold on, let's see. Trying to grab everything in here. I think that's everything. Okay. I don't know. This feels like, oh, it's a shaker. It kind of feels like a little TV. Maybe it goes this way. I feel like two little dots down here. I don't know. Maybe it's just like a little shaker thingy. There's so many in here. I gotta open up my eyes, guys. Wait, what's this? Maybe this is just like little sequins, like shaker bits in these things. Okay, I'm gonna open up my eyes and we're gonna see. Oh, they're so cute. So they're little picture frames. They're so cute, like little Polaroid picture frames. It says memories. I love the Eiffel Tower in here. This is going to be perfect to add to like a card in Valentine's Day crafting. This one also says memories. Oh my God, these are all great for Valentine's Day crafting. She's setting me up for Valentine's Day. Look, what, guys, look, these are all great for Valentine's Day. I love this. I love how she colored the outside of the paper as well. These are very, very cute. This is like, oh, she layered a whole bunch of pieces, like die cut pieces. She didn't use foam, she just die cut a whole bunch of pieces, like super adorable. I love these. And then these are little, yeah, these are little like shaker bits. So this says sprinkled with love. Whole bunch of little teeny butterflies. I don't know if you guys can see that. They're teeny butterflies. And then I love these ones because these are like little confetti and these are great for like birthday crafts. How adorable. Oh, I love these. Thank you, Kim. Okay, and day 21 from Kim. This one feels really heavy, so I'm excited. Okay, I've got my eyes closed again. Let's see what this is. Okay, I feel little baggies of maybe like sequins. I mean, they feel little. Oh, maybe they're like those bead sequins. I forgot what they're called, like seed beads. Opening my eyes now. They are! Oh my goodness, yes! Wow, this is the only one I got right. Little seed beads. Alright, so I got like a light green, a dark green, a pink, and an orange. Ooh, thank you for the variety. I love it. This one I could use for Valentine's Day. This one could be used for Halloween. And we got St. Patrick's Day and just Christmas. And this was also like a pastel-y, so I could use this for like the summer and stuff. Why I love these. I love seed beads, and all I have is actually just clear ones. So thank you. I haven't been able to find these, or I don't know where to get them actually, to be honest. So I don't know where to look in a craft store, but yay. Thank you, Kim. I've been needing some of these. I don't know how you knew, but you seem to have been doing a really good job with this advent calendar swap, so thank you. Okay, so today is day 22, but I did get day 17 in, and I have 20 and 21 from Sharon. So I'm going to open that. I don't know what happened to 18 and 19. I'm still waiting on those, but we'll open what I do have. So here is day 17. Oh, it was already open. Okay, I guess it got opened in the mail. So we got this little card that says Christmas wishes. May you find wonder in unexpected places. May you feel at peace in the world. May you find comfort in the little things. And in here we got some ribbon. This is from the Paper Studio. Really cute. I love plaid. So thank you, Sharon. I love plaid ribbon. One of my favorite things. I love these. Thank you. Then I also have day 20 and 21 in here from Sharon. So let's open this up. Which one is which? I don't know. But we got day 20 and 21, and they are just stickers. So this one says Merry Christmas, which that will be good to use because I could layer these on some white paper and add little sentiments to cards and things. Or like, you know, when I make embellishments. And these are also from the Paper Studio, and these are little deer. Very cute also. Little decoration to add to embellishments or whatever projects I create. So thank you, Sharon. Okay, I also have day 22 and 23 from Sharon. I think I'm just gonna open it. They're not labeled, they're sealed inside, but I'm just gonna open this because today is the 22nd. But I'll open up this one. So I guess I'll open up 23 from Kim also, and then I just won't do it tomorrow. So 22 from Kim. No, you know what? I'm going to leave 23 for tomorrow, but this one's going to have to be together. So here's day 22 from Kim. Should I close my eyes and do one of those things? I will. Oh, and I like this paper. So I have my eyes closed. Let's see. Oh, I've seen this die before. I think it's backwards. Yes, I feel it acetate. This is one of the heart tags, heart-shaped tags. I think that's a heart. What is this one? Little present box? I want to say it's a little present. I don't know. Little sentiment here. Is that a sentiment? I don't know. I'm going to open up my eyes, but I think that's it. I got one right. I got the heart-shaped tag right. I don't have this die, but it's super adorable. I love it. Thank you. I like how she's layering like paper and stuff. Really cute. And she's coloring like the outside with, it looks like Winkastella. And then this one is a hug and a mug. Oh, that's really cute. I don't have this one either. I really like this one. Oh, she cut it out on like a foam, not like foam, looks like a chipboard, like thin chipboard and then layers. Or maybe, no, maybe it's craft paper. It might be craft paper. But that's really cute too. And then look at those sequins she has in there. They're like open heart sequins. Those are adorable. Oh my goodness, I love these. Thank you, Kim. And then here I have day 22 and 23 from Sharon. So let's open this up. And we got a face mask, and oh, these emoji stickers are really cute. Oh, those are cute. They're like little ornament emojis, and a little poop emoji with like a holly on it, one with a reindeer ears. Those are really cute. Thank you, Sharon. Alrighty, guys. Today is day 23, so I'm going to open this up. Don't mind my desk. It is a hot mess. I've been cleaning and organizing, trying to organize stuff all day, unboxing new machines that I got and stuff, which is why I'm out of breath right now, because I just got a sewing machine and I just brought it into this room because I'm going to unbox that next. But yeah, just trying to set things up and organize things. So, but anyway, let's get into unboxing day 23 from Kim. So let's see. we have, oh my goodness, look at these cute little flowers. Wow, that is so cute. This is going to be perfect for Easter, like to add. Wow, that is mad thick. Oh, she used chipboard on the back. Unless she just purchased like a little fence and then decorated it. But wow, her flowers are gorgeous. Like, how does she make these flowers? Do you guys see this right now? Like, wow. Please tell me you guys are seeing what I'm seeing, because these flowers, like, how? Look at that. I'm trying to show you guys without the glare. Look. I'll take one out, actually, so you guys could see the flower. Look at that. How does she make these? Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Gorgeous. Thank you, Kim. Mail just came in for today, so I got a package. This is day 18 from Sharon. I didn't get to show it in the previous video because it didn't arrive in time, so I'm gonna unbox another one today. I did day 23 from Kim earlier. Now I'm doing day 18 from Sharon. I'm sorry, this video is going to be like all over the place with different days, but I hope it still gives you guys ideas and things like that. So let's open this up. If I'm not mistaken, this looks like chocolate. I thought it was chocolate because it's like a money thing, and I've seen money chocolate before. Oh, these are cute. They're paper clips. Oh, little palm trees and flamingos. Those are cute. Thank you, Sharon. And today I'm unboxing the very last one. This was so fun to like do an advent calendar unboxing. I definitely want to do another one next year. I wish that some people would do like a Valentine's Day one. Like, that would also be so fun. And you know, it would just keep me crafting. I love the crafty stuff, and sometimes I just sit here and I'm like, I don't know what to craft, and all those swaps and stuff are sometimes stressful because there's deadlines. It's still so much fun, and it keeps me crafting even throughout like my school year with like work and everything. But here's the last day, so let's open up day 24 from Kim. All right, so the very last one, and then the videos are gonna be over for this at least. Okay, so this is from Kim. Ooh, she included a whole bunch of confetti. Look at this. I don't even know what that is. Is that a dog? Oh my goodness. Dog little confetti. Then these ones I think are flamingos. You have these little champagne glasses. These are little unicorns, little crowns, little mermaids. How adorable are these? These are just little circle sequins. Oh, I love these. I love how glittery they are. I gotta ask her where she got those. And little stars, snowflakes. Oh, I have that one. And other little snowflakes. How adorable. Thank you so much, Kim. It was so much fun swapping with you. And here's the last one from Sharon. We have day 24 and 25. We only needed to go to day 24, but I don't know if she realized that or not, but here's day 24 and 25. So let's see, what do we have? We have these eyelash paper clips. And look at these cute little stickers. These would have been great to craft with, but I could just save them for next year. It's a little Christmassy stickers. Look at that little elf boot. That is so adorable. Thank you so much, Sharon. So again, this was so much fun swapping with everybody for the 24 days of Christmas. Wait guys, I have another series coming up, which will be the 12 days of Christmas. So that video will be split into two, but it's kind of like the 12 days after Christmas. It's another swap I signed up for, and I did. So I have that one waiting for me to start opening up tomorrow. So that's all in here. So you guys will actually get to see that as well. I totally forgot about that. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching the series. If you didn't see the other 3 videos, please check them out down below in the description box. And I shall see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.